Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. My name is Umair Bhatt, and today I'm going to show you that how you can withdraw your Binance cryptocurrency. For instance, if you have cryptocurrency USDT balance, so how you can withdraw it from Binance into your mobile wallets or even in your bank account. The process is very simple and it's very easy to use. So you can get rid from any kind of spam and safely and securely you can proceed your transaction and your money will be in your mobile wallet or in your bank account. So let's move to my computer screen and I will teach you, I will describe you the whole process so you can easily follow and implement those instructions to withdraw your money. So now you can see my dashboard, and here you can see, like, if we go to the overview section of our Binance, and you can see, like, we have USDT right now 20. If I want to withdraw, I will click on withdraw. Yeah. But here we will go to withdraw fiat, and here we will select currency. Like, you can see I'm living here in Pakistan, so it's Pakistani rupee. We will continue, and here you can see you will have to add funds here. Right now, if I write here 20, so it will say like insufficient balance. So you will have to add funds here. So add funds and transfer funds to funding wallet. So first of all, if you want to withdraw, you will have to transfer your funds into your funding wallet. So you can see now USDT amount 20 maximum, confirm, and the maximum amount has been added. So I will now, you can see balance is 20 USDT. If you are going to uh, you know exchange or withdraw another cryptocurrency, so you can select that one. So we are going to exchange USDT, therefore I selected this, and now select payment method. Now you can see I have already configured my Easy Paisa. This is a mobile wallet in Pakistan. So you will see, as per your country, you will see the options. Like, I have also last option, bank transfer option. So we can also select bank transfer, and then you will have to provide your information, and then you can place the order. But right now you can see, like, Easy Paisa and receiving account, you can see I have already mentioned here. So place order, and once we place the order, so you can see, like, waiting for the buyer's payment, time remaining, and the person will send, and once he sends, so then he will confirm it, and then we will confirm it. First he will confirm, then we will confirm. So we will have to wait for the buyer's payment, and the time remaining is this. So let's wait. So you can see now, like, here you can see payment received button has been enabled. So you will check your uh, mobile wallet or bank account, whatever you used to withdraw your balance. So once you confirm that you have received the payment, then you will click on payment received button. And now I have verified that I received this amount from this buyer, confirm release. And now we will have to process these two options, like authenticator app. We have to click, and you will have to enable authenticator, Google authenticator app. And if you have enabled already, now we will put here the code that we have received there. Just give me 1 second. Now one step has been completed. Now email, so email verification code also has been sent to my email. So I will go to my email and will check the code that I received. and it is this. And now you can see successfully sold. So we have sold like Pakistani rupees 5,716.27 equal to 20 USDT successfully, and the amount I have received in my mobile wallet. So the process was very simple, and I have explained to you that how we can withdraw Binance cryptocurrency into our bank account or into our mobile wallet. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have learned a lot in this video, and now you are able to withdraw your cryptocurrency balances from Binance to your mobile wallets or into your bank account. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things and they can also explore more skills and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.